guys. This is the earliest I've been up in a while. It's 7 a.m. Got a gas vlog going on here with the SVR, V6 SVR, but we got cars and copters happening. Gotta pick up Max Showstack. Be meeting the Stradman with his Audi R8. As you saw in yesterday's vlog, we're hitting 26 miles to the gallon. This is the most conservative driving I've done in months. So what we do, guys, saving the environment. That restaurant's this is a Ken Seidel pun. Holy moly. There he is. We're squatting up together so we could roll into the show, look intimidating and formidable. But in reality, we're actually just poverty YouTubers, so yeah. We got Dan's Wyra Roadster right here and the Cinque Spec Wyra Roadster right over there. That was a Pagani Beverly Hills. So cars are still being unloaded here at Cars and Copters. The show doesn't even start for another hour and a half. It's getting pretty busy here, guys. It's gonna be a pretty busy day. Everyone here is actually quite confused as to what this is. Is it like off a Testarossa Vector? I mean, I don't even know, dude. I anticipate today's dog vlog gonna be pretty damn good, guys. We're right next to the beach right here. You're not allowed to have your dogs past that little wall there onto the sand, but you can have it on the pavement. So the beach traffic is gonna be off the chain. We got an F50 with a roof off on a truck. And we got the P1. Oh, okay. Cars are still trickling in as the show has barely even begun. Isn't that the most curious thing, guys? They're trailering the brand new off-road Urus, but they're driving the how many year old LM002? Got Crazy Mike with the top down, the Koenigsegg Agera R Pro Max. Dude, the Asian squad is rolling it deep. Can we do that all over again? Yes. Jesus. That's loud. Dude, that's a fuckboy car right there if I've ever seen one. Whoa, I like that. I do appreciate, whoa. What is that? It's a V6 F-Type with a chameleon wrap. Ooh, we got a police escort. The Lagonda, the Centenario, green Cinque. Oh. Wow. BC, forgot about that. Okay. It's a tour de force right there with a fucking 2 police escorts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Man himself, Dan, upstaging everybody. I like how they're all like unloading them all at the same time too. They planned this. That's insane. The whole collection's coming through here. Unloading them all at the same time. It's kind of a baller move right there. He's flexing on everyone here. He's got 5 trucks for 5 of his cars. He's bringing the entire collection over. Got the MSO, that's kind of out of place. We got the green Cinque right here. Oh, there we go. We got a US spec Chiron right here with a bumper on. I don't know, he's gonna get a screwdriver and take that off. Dude, this is gonna be like Monaco Part 2. We got leapers and spotters abound. We got 2 Chirons here. We got Cocos and...
Oh, what's up?
Yeah, there we go. Sorry guys, I don't have my polarizer. The glare is fucking unreal right now. The sun just came out. We got North America's... No, we got the world's first Regera on the streets here. Okay. And we got the RS1 as well. There he is, the man himself. We got the Regera, the RS1. We got, oh, the Draken and the Phoenix.
This looks good. Yeah.
Well, the Koenigsegg's are all lined up here, guys. There's gonna be around 13 of them. The world's first Regera on the streets right here, owned by none other than the man named Dan. so this is actually a wrap, right?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I made a mistake. I thought this is a brand new Koenigsegg. It's actually gloss black underneath. There we go. That's a view right there. Crowds are insane. I feel like I'm in Monaco again. Minus the police, of course. Got two more Koenigsegg's, the CCX RS that we saw last November rolling through. And we got one more in the back. It's only 10:30. This place is completely packed. But Max Showstack, the world's greatest canyon carver, has made a very interesting point right here. The beach is completely empty. Bugatti section of the show right here. Forgot. Oh, those US bumpers. No. We got Cocos and we got, oh, the infamous DDE drift machine right here. Oh, and a P1. Dude, we got Rami Kala from Qatar, who's moved over to the US. Good buddy of mine. He's got his cycle. Check this out. It's so light. It's like carbon fiber. It's got carbon fiber wheels. This is insane. Dude, forget the supercars. I got the bicycle vlog going on here. Look at this. I'm holding it with one hand. Why is this is very uncomfortable?
That's where your penis goes.
Oh, okay. Well, that's not going in the video now. Are you kidding me, dude? Like, I feel like we're in Monaco 2.0 again. Yes. Oh wait, oh wait. We're gonna do a quick walk around of the show here. A few more cars have shown up. Let's check it out, guys. Dude, what is this? Camaro's got the doors that go up. Well, we got a lot of fuckboy action happening here on PCH. Whoa. Yeah, what do we got? What do we got? Hold on, what do we got? Hold on. I'll do a little light jog.
Look at the again.
Oh, we got the Phoenix leaving. What is this, Monaco? Holy shit. There he goes. Get the shot, get the shot. Check out this dog. Just hanging out of the Bronco right here. He's just having the time of his life. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh. Things are quickly spiraling out of control, guys.
After lunch.
That's what happens after lunch. Got a Power Ranger in the Corvette. Oh, zoom in. Oh. Yes, he is a Power Ranger. We still don't know what this is, but there we go. There it goes. It's gone. Yeah. Man, bikers put on a good show, dude. It's like he's won a marathon or something. All right. Uh-oh. Making a lot of noise. Good Lord. There's someone doing a burnout up there. What the? Whoa. What the fuck? What is going on? On the Lexus, the LS. Oh, look at this guy.
Co-pilot Gordon.
The matching yellow bandana. What a great spot. And the cops. Uh-oh. Whoa.
We're gonna have you guys just kind of clear up these signs and walk. So you don't have any.
Well, we got the Bugatti just driving by. Just haze this person down here. Uh-oh.
Raphael, go to hell, you know!
And we got a 720S there in white. Man. Put them in the cruiser and dude, she's done. It's like the ski box for motorcycles or something. It's an entire car. Yeah. We got back vent door leaving. We got a crowd around her car. Oh We got Instigator. Well, there's a fuckboy show happening on the PCH over there. We still got the actual show. Most of the Koenigsegg's are still here. A lot of CCXs, CCXR. We got the Trevita, Agera R, and we got the Agera. There's someone in it. I don't know if they're gonna start it up. Dude, check out this dude's outfit. He's got the cheetah. Dude, they're like huh. Burnout over there. Pagani's all lined up here, the Water Roadsters, and the Cinques are right over there. I actually have not filmed any of these cars the entire show. I'm too busy being lazy, but here they are, guys. All lined up. All right. There you go. And as you can tell, none of this image is polarized. This is the part of the vlog where the show's over. We're gonna hop in the cars. We got Max Showstack piloting James's Audi R8 with the ski box. We're gonna hop in here. I'm gonna go out that way and we're gonna follow the Koenigsegg's. All right, we're in quite the pickle right now. We're trying to wait for the Koenigsegg's to leave, but I don't actually know when they're leaving. So I'm gonna actually get ahead, leave out to the right here, hop on out early and catch the cars driving by. So we've got the SVR right here. We're just waiting for some of the Koenigseggs to roll out. Gonna head to the cave. Hopefully see the Agera, or is it the Agera? I don't know. Anyways, and we got one more right over there. The show is over. It's been a pretty successful Cars and Copters. All right, we got the cars all bouncing here.